Hello, welcome to Forex Trading Station, broadcast live from California. Here I like to show you how the robot behave in the real market. Okay, and here I'm going to show you here the result, and let's do the running test, the back test. Initial deposit here is 4,000. Total net profit here is 189,000. Profit factor here is 600. Profit factor here is very important. Any robot that has profit factor less than 2.0, don't use it. No good. Any robot that has profit factor more 2.0 and more is the best. Okay, now here I want to show you how it works. Now let's do the test here, running the test here at back test here at H4. Now you try to start here, you start, okay, and here you do the back test, you can see it. Now you see how it do the test. The robot, test the robot here, how it works. Here it opens cell according to the instruction inside. You can see the blue line and the red line here. That is the moving average, the price moving average. But the price is above the moving average, and then the robot can open sell and open sell. And even though the trend is up, but when the price way too high, then the robot can open sell. And then when the price is way moving below the moving average, and then the robot can also open buy. And this case here, it can open buy and sell automatically by its own. No human intervention. It can trade 5 days a week, 24 hours a day. No human intervention. It can take profit and stop loss automatically. You can see blue dot here is buy, red dot is sell. Blue dot is for buy and red dot is for sell. Now you can see the graph down here. You can see the graph here. They mean balance and equity. It started with 4,000 and now I go to $18,000 already. Then this is how we behave in the real market. This is the real account. Now you can see here we're doing trading, buy and sell automatically. It open position, many positions per week, more than 200 positions per week. Each block here or each section here is for 1 week. So this one here run ahead for our time frame. It can also run at 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame, depend on the initial deposit you have. If you have more money in the account balance, you can use lower time frame. Lower time frame tend to trade more than higher time frame. For this reason here, I use higher time frame because the money is very small. Money is very small, so it can open and close at the higher time frame. Higher time frame it open less. For 4-hour time frame, it trade less. Robot here has 25 channels. Each channel has its own strategies and variable lot. You can set variable lot on each channel and take profit automatically, stop loss automatically, and trailing stop is automatically. The trailing stop is to limit the loss and to close the profit before it go back to the market. Okay, you can see here, I will show you here. Okay, right here, take profit here, take profit here. Take profit here is 25 points. So loss side 0.05. So 25 points is $12.50. Okay. You take profit here. It automatically modify because it want to close like this one here as element stop loss. As element stop loss, it modify. If it take profit, it will modify accordingly, automatically modify by itself. And this one here stop loss, you see stop loss here, loss side 0.05. Then the market, before I go back to the market, is stop loss. So it can win is 45 cents. Win 45 cents. So it's stop loss. See, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. Now this one here is modified by itself. It automatically to take profit. TP here, take profit here. If full take profit here, it's $12.50. Loss side 0.05. Okay. So take profit here, take profit. Take profit here, stop loss again. See stop loss here, so many stop loss here. So a stop loss. So profit here is 60 cents. 50 cents, 60 cents, and 20 cents because stop loss. So it plays automatic stop loss before it go back to the market. So you see positive number here is just a win. Other than the negative stop loss, here is stop loss and get out of the market. With a positive number is 60 cents and 20 cents. The stop loss automatically. Okay. And here sell take profit, full profit here is $12.50. Loss side 0.05. Okay. Go here, stop loss again. A stop loss here. If now you still make profit here, 75 cents. You put a stop loss, automatic stop loss, to limit the loss, so that I get out from the market and then continue trading. Take profit here, $12.50. Stop loss again here, stop loss, many stop loss here. It's 20 cents, 20 cents, 20 cents. Here positive number, that means it get out of the market before it get worse. So when you see the market, if it go back to the market before it turn negative, and then it modify itself and then get out of the market and take profit only 20 cents. Okay, here stop loss, stop loss, stop loss here. Okay, here a full take profit price is $12.50. You can see here all the way here. You now you buy here, buy take profit at $2.50. Now you can see all the way here. Now take profit here. Okay. Take profit here, take profit here, take profit here. Modify your stop loss here, stop loss right here. When it before the price go back to the market again, it's stop loss, and then it get out of the market. It win 1 cent. Before you get lost, it win 1 cent. So I get out of the market. Here full take profit at $12.50. Here stop loss again. The stop loss again is 8 cents. Then get out again. Get out. And then continue trading. Here sales is stop loss again. Here's stop loss here. A stop loss 4 cents and 28 cents. And then 30 cents. It get out of the market and then continue trading. So it plays automatic stop loss before you get negative number here, get out. Positive number, get out. You take full profit here at $12.50. Now you can see take profit here, take profit $12.50. $12.50 take profit. Here's stop loss right here. Here's stop loss here. It is $1.70. Before it go back to the market, it must put a stop loss and get out automatically. Robot know when to get out and when to get in, and when to get out with a profit and when to get the stop loss here. Very important here. Stop loss SL here. Stop loss. Stop loss here is not negative, it's positive. So you get out of the market before you get lost. That's what it means. Stop loss. Get out and then with a profit. Less money, but it get out. But the same is here. You can see here take profit is $12.50. The stop loss here is 20 cents. 20 cents. 20 cents here stop loss here. SL here stop loss. That means it get out from the market before you get lost. So you get 20 cents. You win 20 cents. You win 20 cents. And then get out. Because the market no good, and then get out. And then the robot continue trading here and get profit here, $2.50. That is take profit. So lot size varies from channel to channel because there are 25 channels with this robot, and each channel has its own strategy. Okay, take profit here, take profit here, take profit here, take profit, $12.50. Okay, now all the way, take profit, take profit. Here many stop loss here, many stop loss. Stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. Look at that one. It's not negative, it's positive. Because before it go to negative, it get out. It's put a stop loss and get out from the market. Then it get out. Here, that's stop loss here. There are many stop loss over here. Okay. Now buy here, take profit $12.50. Very lot size 0.05. Okay. Not profit here, take profit here. Take profit here, take profit. Oh, take profit, stop loss here. The stop loss is a very important part of the robot. That means protect you from losing. Protect you from lose all the money in the market. In this case here, the robot know that it has to get out. Even though you have only 7 cents or 42 cents win, you get out and then continue trading. Here, look at that profit here, $12. Okay. Stop loss again. Here's stop loss. So stop loss here. Even though you small money, you win only 3 cents, but you get out and then continue trading. See, right here. Here many stop loss here, many stop loss here. Many stop loss here, stop loss here, many stop loss here. Stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss here, stop loss here. The profit here is positive, $2.30. Before it go back to the market, it had to get out. See, stop loss, many stop loss here. Stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. You can see here. It's positive and not negative. So I get out before it goes to negative and then get out from the market. And then continue trading. Okay, now buy here, buy again, and then take profit, $2.50. So lot size here, 0.01. A variance lot size throughout the channel. Each channel has its own side, and it has its own strategies. Okay, here now take note of it here, $12 and 50 cents. Here many stop loss. Look at stop loss here, many stop loss here. Stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. But here stop loss here is positive number. Before it turn negative, the robot get out from the market and close the position and get out and continue trading. Okay. Here the graph and here the report here. It total initial deposit here 4,000 here, and total net profit here is $189,000. Total net profit $189,000. Profit factor is 600. Very important. Profit factor here must be more than 2.0. If it's less than 2.0, robot not working. It's bad robot. Any robot, anyone who make robot, anyone who create robot for trading for a living, and when you see the profit factor here less than 2.0, that means robot not working. If the profit factor here more than 2.0, is working. If the more the number, the better. That's the profit number. So set minimum 2.0 minimum. If more than minimum, is the best. Okay. Total trade is 4,000. Average consecutive win is 2,000. Consecutive loss is 9. The graph here. So this one here win. Okay, that's what I want to share with you. Is how the robot behave in the real market. See you next time.